Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this absolutely stunning BMW X3 2-litre diesel M Sport xDrive we've currently got for sale. This vehicle features this stunning satin wrap which really finished off the exterior with the Riviera alloy wheels also fitted to this vehicle. Starting off at the front is LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the vehicle, you've got a closer look at those stunning alloy wheels. You've also got power folding and heated wing mirrors, privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards, as well as this optionally fitted panoramic sunroof letting plenty of fresh air and light to the cabin. There's a generous amount of boot space on offer with the split folding seats. There's plenty of room here for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. You also benefit from the optionally fitted factory tow bar as well for all your towing needs. And you've also got that electric tailgate which you can open with the key fob for ease of access. Moving inside, you've got that gorgeous full leather upholstery, the contrasting blue stitching, and also the M Sport seat belts. And towards the front, you've got a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel, which has also been optionally fitted with the heat in there as well. As you can see here, and you've also got that full digital display housing all your after driving information. Moving on to the infotainment systems, there's digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity available, as well as sat navigation with spoken instructions for those unfamiliar journeys. You've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You can see you've got full service history there on the iDrive system. So you've got ambient lighting and also a different wider range of different colours to choose from to help brighten up the cabin whilst driving at night. Plenty of safety systems on board as well, including the front collision warning and many more to keep you nice and safe on the road at all times. You've also got multiple driver modes available, including a sport setting for a more dynamic drive, and also the Eco Pro setting as well to help reserve some fuel. You've also got that brilliant Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely fantastic, so plenty of adjustment there with the Logic 7 surround. And to help with parking as well as your front and rear parking sensors, you'll also benefit from this optionally fitted area view system as well, giving you a view around the vehicle from all angles whilst at slow manoeuvring speeds. Just moving a little bit further down the cabin now, so you've got a dual zone climate control which is nice and easy to adjust, with heated front seats, so perfect for those cold winter mornings. There's also a little bit of storage further down the cabin, and a couple of power outlets as well so you can charge multiple devices on the move. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you would like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.